Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about uh, if function and its syntax and what it takes input and what it returns and different behavior. So what if behavior in the calculated column? Same, how can we can accomplish same result using the measure also, and also we have separate behavior in measure. We're going to see everything in today's class. So this is the data set. So there are different products which were sold via different channels on different days. If the product is sold through affiliate, so they have to get some commission, and organic there is nothing. So let me create that logic here. So create new column, new column. 10% is commission, 10% is commission on affiliate. Okay. So how to write that? So if sales channel equal to affiliate affiliate, we have 10% is commission. So into it returns 10% commission, else black. So for affiliate marketing, everyone gets 10%. So that is our expectation. Organic, there is nothing, right? So we have accomplished our expectation. So by using calculate call. So how it is evaluated row by row, right? It's row by row, it is evaluated. So that is the key here. I have to discuss here is row by row. So whereas same thing we have to accomplish in the measure. Okay. Currently we are using calculated column. Now we have to use it in measure. So this is the measure analytical what confused in the real time. So let me accomplish same thing in the measure. So let me copy this logic here. Let me copy this logic here. So let me drag date level and change to date. Now drag the sales channel and let me drag the values. Okay. I accomplished to calculate column. Now I have to accomplish same thing the measure as well. So let me create a measure, new measure, new measure. Yes. So let me copy same thing in here as well. Let me copy this one. So it returns some error, right? So what is the reason? Measure cannot understand the row context by default. So if you want to convert into the row context, we have to use some iterative functions. So iterative function help you to evaluate in the row context. So I have used sumX function. So what it takes some table. So what is the name of the table? A table we have to evaluate in the row by row basis. Okay. Now it accepted. Right? Click on enter. So let me drag. Yep. Let me close this. So we can accomplish same result by using the measure. So if you want to use, if in calculate one, you can use directly. So if you want to use same kind of application in the measure, you need to convert into the context explicitly by using iterative functions. Let me see another thing. So, so I have daily sales to different channel. So my daily target, if it is equal to 100, I need those kind of record as a S, else it is blank. Now this record I have to show as a S. So how to do that? Let me create a new measure, daily sales target. Okay. So if sum of sales is greater than 100, so we accept only scalar value, right? So greater than 100, equal to 100, then S, then S. So S. So it is 100. If it is 100, it returns X. If you observe closely about this logic, so my point here is in measure, if has to accept some single value, it cannot accept multiple values. Like if you take calculated column, it has multiple values, right? There is a measure, there is a measure, there is a measure. If you observe here, it returns single value or the scalar value, or it is also a single value, and it also single value. Okay, it cannot accept multiple values. So we have to understand this is the major difference. So how it is in the calculate column, if you want to repeat the same thing in the measure, we have to do in the row context, and also so measure cannot accept multiple values. So here the condition is evaluated the single value both in LHS and RHS when value written in a single value. Yes, yeah, that's it. So in order to avoid this kind of confusion in the real time, these three things are very important, very, very important. I think you hope you understand how this is working in the Power BI. Thank you.